In a quiet little town surrounded by green hills and golden fields, there lived a big brown dog named Bruno. He wasn't just big in size, he was big in heart. Every morning, Bruno would trot through the streets, tail wagging, greeting everyone with a happy bark. Children loved to play with him. The baker always gave him a biscuit, and the old postman called him, "Good boy, the guardian of the town." But one stormy night, everything changed. The wind howled. Rain poured down in thick sheets. The river that flowed beside the town began to rise, higher and higher, until it broke its banks. Water rushed through the streets. People shouted, lights went out, and panic filled the air. In the middle of the chaos, a cry echoed. A little girl was trapped in her house, surrounded by floodwater. Without a moment's thought, Bruno leapt into the cold, rushing water. He pushed through the current, his fur soaked, his paws fighting every wave. He reached the house and barked loudly again and again until the girl saw him through the window. She climbed onto his back, wrapping her tiny arms around his neck. Bruno paddled with all his strength, against the storm, against the flood, against fear itself. Finally, he reached dry ground. The townspeople cheered. The little girl's parents ran forward, crying with relief. Bruno just shook the water off his fur and wagged his tail, as if to say, "All in a day's work." When morning came and the sun rose over the calm river, the people built a statue at the town square. A statue of a big brown dog, standing proudly with his head high. And beneath it, the words read, "Bruno, the dog who saved the town."